Hey guys, you gotta check these out. These little Craftsman screwdrivers I found. Now, normally the red stripes on Craftsman's are painted on, but look at this little guy. The blue part at the base is still painted on, but the red, that is not painted on. It's inside the handle. It's like that cane handle from Jurassic Park, except instead of having a bug inside of it, there's a red cylinder in there. That cylinder was molded inside of the clear plastic handle, and it goes all the way through. I've never seen a screwdriver handle made this way. I don't know how they made these, but it almost has to be some sort of double shot process. Double shot is a technique where they inject two different colors of plastic into the same mold. You see it all the time in other industries, and usually with different types of plastics. These screwdriver handles are typically made out of acetate plastic, and I've never heard of double shot acetate. I'm pretty sure these are acetate plastic, they just feel like it. You can see where one of the red ones is just starting to get infected by the mange, and on the other red one the clear portion is starting to turn yellow a bit. So I am pretty sure these were made from acetate. But they don't have any molding lines, all of the edges are nicely rounded, so they just don't look like injection molded plastic. I do have a later production clear Craftsman screwdriver that's made from injection molded acrylic. You can see the injection molding lines on it. And also it just makes a different sound when you tap on it. So I definitely think these double shot ones are made from acetate. And I don't think they're that old. The blue one has a USA and a X manufacturer's code on it. The X would indicate early 2000s era SK manufacturer. The two red ones, they have a WF. WF would be Western Forge, a longtime Sears contractor. But they also have the X2. Now, the same company that owned SK also bought Western Forge in 2010, so that could explain the X and WF being on the same tool. But then we also have to consider the fact that a lot of these manufacturers didn't make their own handles. The handles would come in 3-foot long blanks, and then they would machine them down and press in the shanks. That could explain why we don't see any injection molding lines on these, and why the colored cylinder appears to go all the way through the handle. Now, I don't have confirmation if SK or Western Forge actually made their own screwdriver handles in-house, so some other contractor could have molded a double-shot acetate 3-foot long handle blank for these, and then SK or Western Forge cut it down to size. If anyone knows exactly who made these plastic handles, or how exactly they were made, let me know in the comments below. And if there are any full-size double-shot acetate handled screwdrivers out there, I'd love to see one of those too. These just look really cool. And sometimes guys like things just because they look cool. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed for more unusual tools. See you later. Bye.